Hey, hello, hi, it's Isabelle. Welcome to or back to my channel if you're new here. Today I have another college video for my series, and it is a pack with me because in just 7 days I'll be going and moving into my apartment up at college, and I'm pretty excited for that. So you guys can come along with me, pack with me, see what I'm bringing, maybe get some ideas for what you should bring. And I also have a little bit of a mini haul because I bought some random things last minute that I think would look good in my room and or in my apartment in general. So I think that'll be a lot of fun. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I got a couple things for my bedroom, and I know when you see this, you're gonna probably think that I'm a little crazy because everything's yellow, but I don't know, I just really love yellow, and that's kind of the theme of my room. So the first thing I got is this pillow, and I got this from HomeGoods. It's really cute because I have like square pillows, and this one, you know, adds depth and dimension since it's a different size, and it's white with like these yellow shapes on it. So yeah, super cute. I really like it. The next thing I got is this yellow throw blanket from HomeGoods also because I think it'll be just a really nice pop of color, really complement my room and my bedding super well. So yeah, it's super soft, comfy, super excited to see it all come together. The next thing I got is this shower curtain, and it's just like a bunch of flowers, and it has like yellow, blue, tealish, gray, stuff like that. And you know, like I said, big yellow girl here, so that'll be cute. To match that, I got this yellow bath rug, and I'm super excited because it's all gonna match, and I'm kind of anal retentive about that stuff, so I had to get it. I just had to. The last thing that I got for my room is this yellow lamp because tell me it's not the most adorable freaking thing you've ever seen, and it's gonna match everything so well because it's like this mustard yellow color that is kind of my theme and what I'm going with. And I don't know, I'm so excited to move in and like see how it all comes together. Hello, it's Thursday the 13th, and I move in on the 17th, which is Monday, so that's just 4 days away. I'm super excited to be moving into my apartment and decorating my room finally, because that's like all I've been looking forward to for, I don't know, 2 months, but it's fine. But anyway, today I'm going to start packing and bring you guys along with me so you can kind of see what I'm bringing, how I'm going to be packing it up, and all that stuff. So maybe that'll help you guys, or it's just interesting. I don't know, I kind of like to watch these videos. But today I'm going to be focusing on the big things kind of because I have not packed up any of my clothes and like everyday items, but a lot of the stuff that I'll be focusing on today I've already kind of had packed up because I brought it to college last year. So that will be helpful, but let's get started. Okay, so most of the stuff that I've had is kind of packed up in this room. So it's kind of a mess, but this is where I've been keeping like all my college stuff. That way my room's not super crowded or anything. But so the goal today is to get this all more organized and looking better. So yay! Okay, so I've made some progress. This has my bed stuff in it, and then a bathtub or a bathrobe on top. This is like my bath stuff, kind of miscellaneous. Got a trash can with a lamp on it. This big bag is full of my pillows, like my throw pillows, and then that like gray thing has food in the bottom, and then I normally put like clothes and stuff in there. This is mostly my school stuff. I have my backpack, desk stuff, some notebooks. I have my memory foam. This is also for school stuff. I have like my calculator, keep my camera in here, paper, yada yada. These are the pillows I'm taking for my bed. Then that far one is my duvet insert, another blanket, pillows. Here are my towels. I have some Clorox wipes in there, And yeah, so that's basically the progress I've made. I took a lot of stuff out, like there's some random stuff out that I took that I had last time, but yeah. Okay, so I think for today, at least right now, I'm gonna be done packing up things. I got a lot of the big stuff, so definitely Saturday is gonna be the day I'm kind of dreading, because that's when I'm gonna pack up my clothes and my toiletries and my jewelry and just the things I use every day, my makeup, and that's a lot more work, I'd say, but I did get a lot done today, so that's good. So I will see you Saturday. Okay, so today is Sunday the 16th, the day before I move in, and it's 7:40 at night, and I'm starting to pack all the rest of my stuff, and I'm feeling kind of stressed because I waited till the last minute because I was procrastinating, and I was going to be super responsible and pack yesterday when I had more time because today I had work, but I ended up spending it with my family, and I was super glad and happy with that. But now I'm feeling stressed because I have a lot to pack and to think about and a lot of choices to make, and I'm just not looking forward to that. So yeah, that's what this is gonna be. So let's do this together. So one of my first big decisions is shoes, and so far I have like 12 pairs of shoes I'm gonna bring, and I don't really know where I'm gonna put them. I think I'm gonna put them in this bin, but I don't know, there's so many decisions and it's stressing me out. Okay, so it's currently a mess in here, but I have this teeny pile and this, and that's a mess, and I haven't gone through it yet. And then I have those clothes that I'm taking right now, and I'll take some more later at a different time. Here's my shoes and my makeup. Got my jewelry and my plant. This that I need to fill up, and then I have to finish going through my closet. I have my jeans over there, and yeah. Hey. Okay, so I have 3 things of clothes. I have this duffel, I have this big bag, and then this bag. Those are all the clothes I'm taking for now. And when it gets colder, I'll come out and switch out things. And then this is the tub I was talking about earlier. It just has my shoes, makeup, and like my jewelry and stuff right there. And then in my bathroom, right here, is kind of a mess right now, but it'll look a lot better once I have it all figured out. But for right now, it's like good for transportation and stuff. But I just have like tampons, obviously, lots of face stuff, medicine, contacts, lotion, and hairspray. And these are all just extras of stuff, so I have like extra things. And then tomorrow, before I leave, I'm gonna go ahead and pack my face stuff and my like teeth. I'm gonna pack my teeth. No, but I am gonna pack like my toothbrush, toothpaste, that type of thing, deodorant. Okay, so now I'm officially done with packing for now, or I'm done filming anyway. I packed most of my clothes. I've packed my makeup, my shoes, most of my toiletries. I just have some last minute things to pack tomorrow. You saw earlier I packed all of my like room decor and like stuff in my room, in my bathroom, so I'm excited to move in tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day that I've been waiting for and preparing for. So I hope that you guys really like this video. Thank you for watching. And I hope that this was helpful in some way, or maybe just entertaining. I know I like to kind of get ideas from other people, but make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos, because I will be planning on filming a move-in vlog as well as a room tour for you guys. So once again, I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.